So basically, bro has let me test ride his Cbr Fireblade. I don't know, cause this I always the indicator. The power is there. Oh my goodness, the seating position is so weird. To think I was gonna test ride the Cbr1000rr Fireblade. It feels so strange. Oh, sorry, Seagull. Look at the view. Wait, let me reverse. It's like compared to my bike though. Look at the view. Cbr1000 Fireblade. Oh my goodness, the takeoff is there. Trying to get as close. Anyways, what I wanted to say was this was one of my dream bikes. One of them. I have a whole list of bikes that I wanted to try, and thanks to bro, I can tick this off my list because I'm definitely never gonna buy this bike ever. But look at the strip, it's so beautiful, the scene. Oh my god, this is the guy, this is his bike. Oh my word.
Like it?
I love it, but I'll need like a month on it every day.
You'd have to get used to it for sure.
Firstly, you need better gloves because your hands could slip easily with this trash.